inside the most expensive kitchen that we have ever done in Townhome. Please watch this video all the way to the end. Hi, this is Ali Meshtar. I'm gonna go over the beautiful contemporary kitchen that we recently done in Sterling, Virginia. Please follow me all the way to the end. You're gonna see some surprises. Okay, first I'm gonna go over the before and what we done. Here was a wall with lots of plumbing, electrical, and lots of other things inside the wall. We completely remove it and we make it open concept kitchen. Range was on the back of the wall, sink was there, and it was a built-in pantry on that corner that we remove it. Right now I'm gonna go over this beautiful kitchen. This beautiful kitchen made with very high-end and expensive cabinet from crystal. This cabinet door, as you see, it looks like the countertop, but it's laminate. It's very beautiful door. And I'm gonna go over the first feature of this kitchen. This is the beautiful coffee station with double pocket door on the both sides. They put all their coffee and everything here. Is very nice, beautiful. It has adjustable shelf. You can adjust your shelf and wherever you want you can put your stuff. But about the coffee machine, you can make your coffee here without even bringing it out. This is a really good thing about this coffee station. And whenever you don't want it, you can open this two door, close it after that. That's it. It's very nice. This kitchen, all of the door are push to open. You push it, it's gonna be open. Go over same thing too. Let me go over other stuff. The whole kitchen is wrapped with the Dekton countertop, the backsplash, the island, everywhere is a Dekton countertop, beautiful Dekton countertop. Here we have a very nice black sink undermount with the trash can on this side. As you see, double trash can here. Dishwasher on the other side. We have a very beautiful lighting. This is a LED strip light with the hidden outlet. And the reason for the hidden outlet is the box of the cabinet is 2 inches shorter than the door. If you check here, the door is around 2 inches longer than the box. This is allow us to hide everything here. This is the strip light and the hidden outlet is on the other side of this. As you see, is here, and this is make the backsplash much more clean and nicer. The other feature of this kitchen is here, the 36-inch range top black with the high BTU and very nice wooden hood on top with the slim hood, stainless steel hood that you see it here. And the other part is this beautiful oven and microwave. This oven on the top can be oven and microwave, and the bottom is only oven. The other feature in this kitchen is this beautiful island. This island, the color of this island, I'm gonna show it to you, is little darker gray, and you have a very beautiful countertop wrapping around it, and the beautiful pendle light on top of it. This beautiful pendle light gives some accent to the kitchen. We have covered everything here. Please subscribe our channel if you like this kind of video, and comment us if you have any question. You can email us or call us too. Thank you so much and have a great one.